In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a domain on Cloudflare. Whether it's for troubleshooting, maintenance, or simply taking your site offline temporarily, pausing a domain on Cloudflare is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you can do it smoothly and confidently. First, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage all the domains associated with your account. Once you're there, double-check that you're on the domains page, which presents an overview of every domain you're managing through Cloudflare. This is where the action happens, and it's crucial to be in the right place, especially if you're handling multiple domains. Now, as you look at the list of domains, you'll want to locate the specific domain that you wish to pause. This might be a domain that requires some maintenance, or perhaps you want to temporarily take it offline for any number of reasons. To find the right one, you can scroll through the list and use visual identifiers like names or an easy search function that should be available on the dashboard. Once you've pinpointed the domain in question, direct your attention to the right side of that row. You'll see three little dots lined vertically next to the domain you want to manage. These dots are your gateway to more options regarding your domain. Go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear showing you several actions you can take. From this menu, choose the Pause option. This selection is designed to halt Cloudflare's services for the domain temporarily. After selecting Pause, you'll see a message or prompt that asks you to confirm this decision. This is a safety feature to ensure you don't accidentally interrupt service for a domain without intending to do so. Simply click Pause once again to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, Cloudflare will begin pausing its services for this specific domain, and that's basically it. You've done it. You've successfully paused a domain on Cloudflare. This means that while Cloudflare's protection and performance services are still associated with your domain, they won't be actively applied until you decide to unpause it. This step can be very beneficial when you need unrestricted access to the web server, or if you're integrating new features and need to ensure nothing interferes. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope this process was clear and easy. If you ever need to re-enable Cloudflare services, you can simply reverse the process by returning to the dashboard and unpausing the domain. Let us know if you found this helpful, and feel free to reach out with any questions.